Next, let's have a look at how they talk about drawing a hexagon using a compass. So I have center laid out on my page here. Let's draw in the border that we are given. So we have 100 mil top to bottom and 116 mils side to side. I'll draw this a little bit darker so that it shows up on the camera. Normally I would draw these all with construction lines, but I find that it doesn't show up very well. Okay, so we have a space given to us that's that big to draw our octagon. And then in the module, it talks about how you can use a compass to draw that out. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to draw a circle equal to the largest point that we have here. If you go to the top, you end up with a 100 mil diameter circle, and it won't work that technique that they show you in the book. So what we need to do is we need to go to that 116 mil. Nope. As my compass point drifts on my center. Whenever you're using a compass, it can be a good idea to have a second sheet of paper. Underneath there's a backer. We'll hold that point a little bit more securely. As you can see, my circle went off a little bit, but that outer line is the correct line. So we can use that. And then what they talk about is using a portion of a segment of a circle. So what we have done is we've actually given ourselves that segment. That's where this line passes through the circle. That's our spacing of our faces of our hexagon. So if we set the compass up on that point, it should be the same as what we've already struck for ourselves as the diameter of this circle. You see it passes through the point. So then we can turn and check. Yeah, and we pass through that point as well. So then let's go over here. Go to this point and set this. Yeah, and we got the same point as well. So because we have a square already, what I've actually done is set those points basically without using the compass. But we could have just marked center of our circle and then laid out our octagon from there using the total width that we were given, the 116 mils. But because I have those square drawn there already, it kind of does the same job. So now to draw the sides in this way, you just go to those intersecting points with your set square and draw them in with object lines. So I'll go quite a bit darker this time. Because we drew everything square and off of a set square, I could use the set square and the 60 degree to draw these lines, and they would intersect with the same points, but I will use it freehand here just to show that even if you didn't have a set square, this method is possible to produce a good looking hexagon using this technique. There, you can see we have a hexagon that looks correct, it's proportionate. We have 116 mils across. We have 100 mils tall. If you drew this on your brick bond, that would be an acceptable, correctly drawn hexagon. And then I will do one last video here talking about just one other way we could do this, which you guys might have already guessed, but I'll quickly show you it.